My name is Anisha. I'm studying class in Teachers Karakter Karimnagar. My guide teacher name is Sridhar sir. Nowadays we are facing a lot of problems of electricity power, which is exhaustible natural resource. The one and only solution is inexhaustible natural resource like solar energy, wind energy, and water energy. My project is power generated through running water pipe. Everywhere we are using water pipes for municipality taps and domestic purpose also. Let us see how it works. Now the bulb is not glowing. Observe, the bulb is glowing because of water is flowing from the pipe. It indicates power is generated. Where electrical energy is connected to mechanical energy, but in my project, mechanical energy is connected to electrical energy. When water flows from this pipe, the turbine will rotate and motor will generate the power. It is stored in batteries or inverters, and it is used to other electric devices. If we keep more turbines, it will generate more power. I want to plan to keep inside the tap, it will generate more power. Instead of this turbine, I want to keep this turbine because of it occupies less space. I inspired from this tap shower. When water flows from this tap shower, the fan is rotating. That's why I done this project. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
My name is Patrick from GHS Karpanagadda, Karimnagar. My guide sir is Rajesh sir. My project name is Natural Hand Sanitizer. The dangerous problem we are facing is Corona COVID-19. To protect ourselves, maintaining physical distance, wearing mask and sanitizer of hands. Present we are using alcohol-based sanitizer. Heavy users of it will harm and skins. So my project about how to make natural sanitizer. Ingredients: names, turmeric powder, aloe vera, camphor. Let's see how to prepare. Remove the peel and collect the pulp. 2 glasses of water. Wash neem leaves and adding in boiling water. And mix with a spoon as shown. Into jar. And blend it. And adding some turmeric powder. And 2 cubes of camphor. And mix it again. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame. Let it cool. Take neem boiling water. Ingredients are used. These are eco-friendly materials. Low cost. It kills to the bacterial and virus. Turmeric powder, camphor is a longer time of the preservation of the liquid. It's a easy prepared to every household. It helps to the economy of the pure people. Thank you for giving me. It is not burning.
आरिपोతుంది कृष्णा सर ऊपर करता रहा सर अभी बढ़ता रहता आवाज सर ऊपर करते रहो अरे वो इवन वो लड़ाई करने का है क्या रे इवन लोग अरे क्लास మొత్తం మూసేసిన సరే ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళొకసారి
Eating the empty cup, how much time is taken? 4 seconds. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay. टोटल होने दो पूरा.
చలికాలం చేసుకోవాలి.
చూడు 36, 37 అంటే 31కి అయిపోయింది కదా. చూడండి అంటే మనం ఇంకా హాఫ్ సెకండ్ ఇంకెంతసేపు చూడండి. మనం మొన్న చూసినాం పేపర్లో ఏం చేసిండు, చాయ్ చేసిండు. ఇప్పుడు మనం వాటర్ కాగబెట్టచ్చా చూద్దాం. మంచి అరే 1 minute అయిపోయింది. కాలుతుందా? ఇంకా కాలలేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి అందులో వాటర్లో వేలు పెట్టి చూడండి ఎట్లున్నాయనా, చల్లగా ఉన్నాయా వేడిగా ఉన్నాయా?
కొంచెం
చల్లగానే ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకొద్దిసేపు చూద్దాం ఏమవుతుందో. 1 minute 23 seconds అయిపోయినాయి. అందరు మంచిగా చూడండి, అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు 1 minute 50 seconds అయిపోయింది. చూడండి 2 minutes అయిపోయింది. 2 minutes అయినా కూడా కప్పు కాలిపోలేదు. ఓకే, వాట్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్ అబౌట్ దిస్? అరే చోట అన్న उतना छोटा है तो उतना अच्छा था. अरे लंबी लंबी नहीं करना. వేడవుతుందా? బాగా ఎండలేనట్టు.
ఆమ్లెట్ వేస్తే బాగా ఎండ వచ్చినప్పుడు సమస్య ఆయన కదులుతుంది సార్. అబ్బాయి ఒకటే చోట పెట్టు. ప్రేమ్ కుమార్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టినా అక్కడనే పెట్టు. ప్రేమ్ కుమార్ కాదు మహిళ తినవరు. గంట వీడియో ఫుల్ షాడో
ఏమైందిరా? అరే ఇలా చోట రాయినా ఇతర చోట రాయితే అవుతున్నా.
అగ్గి ఫుల్ అంటి చూడబెట్టాను.
ఏదైనా మండాలా కదా. మధ్య
మధ్యలో పాస్ చేసి మళ్ళీ
స్టార్ట్.
My name is Vaishali. I'm studying in 8th standard. I'm saying about electric vehicle system. Madam, here should be the taken about 1 key and copper plate and iron keys, the sulfuric acid of కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్. మనం అందులో ఇప్పుడు మనం కాపర్ను కీ అందులో ఇప్పుడు మనం వాటిని సేవ్ చేసి అందులో వేసినప్పుడు ఒక కీ అది మొత్తం పైన కలర్ మొత్తం వెళ్ళిపోయి దాని కామన్ కలర్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. దట్స్
చూడండి ఇందులో మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాం చెప్పండి. ఐటమ్ చెప్పండి. మంచిగా లైవ్ చేస్తున్నారా ఫేస్బుక్ లైవ్?
సల్ఫరిక్ యాసిడ్,
ఇంకా లైట్లు తీయండి,
స్మాల్ వైర్స్, ఎల్ఈడి బల్బ్, కాపర్
ఇటు సైడ్ రా,
రబ్బర్.
మంచిగా చెప్పాలా? ఎనీబడి వాంట్ టు టెల్ ఫ్లూయెంట్లీ ఎవరు చెప్తారు? కమ్ హూ ఈస్ కమ్
చెప్పు.
ఏం కాదు, మన ఇష్టం. కమ్ యూ సాయిబాబా, యూ అబౌట్ ద ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. నేను చెప్పినాక ఏమున్నది అన్న? మొన్న అక్కడ స్వచ్ఛ భారత్
and the connect the wire to bottle. The electric is generated the copper and zinc. Sulfuric acid also.
So where is zinc? Where is that?
This is the acid. This is the zinc and copper. This is a small wire and this LED bulb.
Now what happening here?
Electric is generating. Power is generating.
How you say power is generated?
So see this.
No, bulb glowing. How you say power is generated?
Sir, LED bulb is glowing.
Okay, while LED bulb is glowing, you said that electricity is generated. Yes. Okay. What is your opinion? What is your about this battery? How you feel? How you feeling? Anybody? How you feel about this experiment? Huh?
Good, sir.
Huh? Good. Excellent. No, that's not a feeling. Yeah, according. No, that's not good. How you wonder? Hypothesis about this experiment. Good, bad, that's not good. Your opinions about this. What do you know from this experiment? చెప్పు తెలుగులో.
బ్యాటరీ లేకపోయినా దీంతోనే కరెంట్ జనరేటింగ్ చేయొచ్చని ఇలా తెలిసింది.
ఓకే, ఇంకా ఎనీబడి? ఇది ఒక ఓన్ బ్యాటరీ, మీరే స్వంతంగా ఒక బ్యాటరీని తయారు చేసుకోగలిగారు. ఏ విధంగా? జింకు, కాపర్, సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ వాటిని ఒక ఎల్ఈడి బల్బుకు బిగించి మనం ఏం చేసినాం? ఒక బల్బును వెలిగించిన, అంటే విద్యుత్తును తయారు చేసిండ్రు. మీరే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసిరు? విద్యుత్తును తయారు చేసిరు. నేనా మీరా? మీరే కదా. ఒక విద్యుత్తును తయారు చేయగలిగే శక్తి మీకు వచ్చినట్టు మీకు అర్థమైపోయింది కదా. ఓకే,
My name is Jagadish. I am studying in 8th EU. My school name is Government High School, which is in Karnataka, Karnataka. Today I am explaining about the testing the effect of electric current on potato. For this we need a potato, half piece of the potato, and a battery, and an LED bulb, and 2 wires. First, take a potato, cut into 2 halves. Cut into 2 halves to the potato, and take one half of the potato and construct a tester with LED bulb. This is a LED bulb. Insert 2 copper wires of the tester into the potato. Here we inserted the potatoes. Here we inserted the copper wires to the potato. Okay. Potato, leaving some distance around 1 centimeter. We leave some distance about 1 centimeter, and see, does the LED glow? Does the bulb glow? Yes, it is glowing.
That indicate what? While bulb is glowing, what?
While bulb is glowing, that potato was an conversion. Sir, conductivity.
Potato have electric conductivity.
Potato have electric
Passing.
conductivity. Just we leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. It a greenish blue spot is seen on the potato around the wire connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Here, this is the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal.
Any green spot is appearing?
No.
Wait how many minutes?
20 to 30 minutes.
Now how much time is over? Approximately 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Wait until 15 minutes. Okay. Then after observe that green
Greenish spot.
spot is appear or not appear. Yes. Here is the some doubts I want. How the electricity is passing from potato?
Potato is a conductivity, so it is passing current.
As if I take a dry potato, it is dry. Electricity is passing from potato or not?
No,
Why?
because in the dry potato, water was not present. In this potato, water was present. Water is a good conductor of the electricity. So this potato was a conductivity.
Okay. If pure water, pure water is a good conductor,
No, it is a bad conductor.
bad conductor. Yes. How you say water is a good conductor? Water is the purified water, is distilled water is bad conductor. How you say now water is a good conductor?
Because it is mixed in the potato and
when water can conductor of the electricity, when
it was mixed with the impurities.
yes, when the water is mixed with some minerals, what happen? Water is the good conductor about the electricity conductivity. Yes.
Yes.
If it is a pure status, what happen? Water is bad conductor of electricity. If it is mixed with some minerals, salt, yes,
Or sand.
whatever it may be, water is the good conductor about electricity. Here is the water molecules are present in the potatoes. While you cutting, you are easily observing, na? You are identify the water in the potatoes. Due to that, the potato is supplying the electricity. So this called potato is the good conductor. As like as wood, dry wood is the good conductor.
No.
Wet wood.
Yes.
Yes, that is the good conductor. As like as this is also
Water
good
present.
conductor of.
Water present in the potato.
Yes.
It is
Now
appearing.
that is appeared the green spot. Till now, no, not appearing. So that may I think take how may more time. Okay. Approximately you are unable to finish. Wait until how much time you want to wait? 20 to 30 minutes. Until that is not appearing because of the taking more time to supplying the current. Okay. Thank you. ఒకటే తీస్తే అర్థం కాదు. చూడాలి ఏం అవసరం లేదు. అక్కడ పాజిటివ్ దగ్గర నుంచే కరెంట్ సప్లై అవుతుంది. చిన్న రాళ్ళు తీసుకుంటాం మంచి. మీరు టెస్టింగ్ కరెక్ట్ చేయలేకపోయారు. ఇవి కరెక్ట్ చిన్నవి తీసుకుంటే అయిపోయి, పెద్ద ఇంత పెద్ద క్యాండిల్ చిన్నగా, ఇవి పెద్దగా, రిజల్ట్ మెల్లగా వస్తుంది. కాదురా, ఇది మొత్తం ఇటుకే పోతుంది, టైం బాగా తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓకే, నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ బర్నింగ్. విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ బర్నింగ్? empty paper cup is burning, which filled with water not burning. That indicate what? Water is resisting to heat. In this case what happening? In this case and in this case what happening? Which is burned? Which empty cup is burned? Which is filled with water? That not burned. What is the reason? Water is resisting the heat to cup. Next stop here.
Welcome everyone. My name is Deeva Krishna and I'm 8 Today I will going to show you observing the motion of the objects. Friction is the most important for our daily life. Without friction, we never assume our day-to-day activities. But heavy friction is difficult to face lot of problem. Now I want to prove how to friction is involved in moving a thing and how to reduce it. Materials: rubber, coin, ice cube, writing pads. Procedure: take the objects rubber, coin, ice cube on a writing pad. How slowly increase the slope of the pad until some movement is to be. While increasing the slope, the ice cube moved partly. Compared to the coin and rubber, eraser until move coin when coin starts moving, but faster not starts the move. According to above observation, ice cube have smooth surface, so it's move partly but easier. Have rough surface, it's not move. Its contribution is major role in moving on a object. Friction reduced due to increase the smooth surface of the object, but it never becomes zero. We can use or increase graphic extra for reduce the friction. Thank you.